Today, we will talk about emergency funds. Hi. Let's learn about the importance of emergency funds. An emergency fund refers to money set aside for unexpected financial difficulties, such as illness or major home repairs. This fund is crucial in providing financial security when unforeseen expenses arise. It is usually made up of cash or highly liquid assets to avoid resorting to high-interest debt or tapping into retirement funds. An emergency fund should cover expenses for times of financial hardship, like job loss, illness, or significant home or car repairs. While many suggest saving 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses, experts like Susie Orman recommend a heftier cushion. In 2020, the Federal Reserve found that many Americans lack the ability to cover unexpected costs with cash. This highlights the importance of having a sufficient emergency fund to overcome financial crises. Starting early and saving regularly are the keys to building an emergency fund. Consider parking your fund in high-interest savings accounts or other secure assets. However, it's advisable to have an emergency fund before venturing into volatile investment vehicles such as stocks, as they may lose value during economic downturns. Employers have introduced programs to encourage emergency savings because of the effects of financial instability on productivity and retirement security. This move highlights the significance of having an emergency fund and how it can impact different aspects of life. Consider a married couple with monthly expenses totaling $5,000. Following the 3-month rule, the couple needs to set aside at least $15,000 to address any unforeseen financial burdens. This example shows the importance of calculating and setting aside funds according to individual living expenses. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. An emergency fund is a financial safety net for future mishaps and/or unexpected expenses. 2. Individuals should keep their emergency funds in accounts that are easily accessible and easily liquidated. 3. Some employers have established programs to encourage emergency fund saving. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.